Welcome to the Algo Trader, and thanks for stopping by. You're here because you're probably looking for something better than guessing, chasing candles, or relying on outdated indicators that leave you confused in live market conditions. That's exactly why we built our trading systems. Our solutions are not simple buy and sell signal tools. They are structured algorithmic trading frameworks designed to help you read the market with more clarity, follow a process, and execute with discipline. Whether you're focused on the early morning action with the opening bell system, looking for structured trend opportunities with the Elephant Hunter, tracking cycle-based market behavior with the Cycle Hunter, or waiting for larger intraday moves with the Whale Hunter, each system is built for a specific type of trader and a specific market condition. The goal is simple: help you stop trading randomly and start trading with structure. So take a moment, scroll through the systems below, and find the solution that fits the way you trade. And when you're ready, you can try one out and see the difference for yourself. Welcome to the Algo Trader.